Hello from the Mac Corner. Today we have a great selection of computers. We have some 2018 15-inch MacBook Pros. We have 13-inch MacBook Pros, and we have MacBook Airs as well. We have a great selection. You can see our shelves are stocked, ready for purchase. We have some really nice 21.5-inch iMacs that are a great deal. We have this really well-equipped 27-inch 5K iMac. We have on the top shelf some price point $399 iMacs. They don't even fit on our shelves, so we put them on the top. So come on down to the Mac Corner and grab your MacBook from us. It's a year warranty for all computers that we sell. And you could also, don't forget, you could apply for financing through Caffeine or Acima. That's on our website right above this video on the front page. So come on down and contact us and pick up your computer today.